So we are going to now look at an example of that area of a triangle. So the formula is 1/2 AB sine C. Now, once again, the A, B, and C can be moved around. If you look, this is always going to be the angle measure. And in this case, we see it's going to be actually a capital A. So we're going to be looking at side B times side C, 1/2 of it, times sine A. These are identical just in the sense that it's the same formula, but the angles are and the sides are different. Hopefully that makes sense. So literally all we have to do is we do 1/2, oops, not 1/12, 1/2 times 19 times 17 times sine 135 degrees. Plug it into your calculator and you get your answer. But before we do that, I want to make a note. You'll see that sometimes, say, you can be given this angle and not this one. From this point, you would just have to do 180, subtract those angle measures to find your answer. This one just happens to be no work. So you will see some more that are complicated, but this is side B, that's side C, and this is angle A. Just remember, it's across from that capital for the sides. All right, plugging this into our calculator, we get, rounding it, 114.2, and we're doing area, so we need to write units. We don't know what the units are, so we're going to leave it as units squared. So I will be marking off if you guys are not labeling your units, so make sure to do that on these problems, and then word problems will give you the units to use.